Good day, Jeffrey Friedman, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures, the 29th of June, the end of the month. We're kind of halfway through the year. Words of the day. Remember, the word of the day or the week should be a tone of what's going to happen and what is dominating the markets. Well, I'd have to say it's Greece, and I don't think that it's a surprise by any stretch of the imagination. Could have said China. They're going into a bear market, which could have an influence overall money flow into the United States stock index futures. Now, have said that, I could say non-farm payroll, the granddaddy of economic reports for the month. And if that's real big and we're looking for more than 200,000 jobs, it could affect the FOMC, and that could affect interest rates. And that could affect stock index futures. But I'm going to go with Greece because that's front and center. And when they made their announcement of closing the banks, we were down over 20 points. Actually, we were down 30 points in the September S&P futures contract last night on Sunday night. We've recovered a little bit, but we are still down. Now, have said that, what is our economic reports this week? Not all that much. Not all that much. We got a few, this or that. We're going to be watching China. We're going to be watching non-farm payroll, and I already mentioned that. So let's get into the technicals. Right now, September contract, 2075. My kind of pivot number, okay? Bullish, bearish. First of all, short-term and long-term trend, in my opinion, looking at the charts, is sideways to up short-term, and obviously long-term, we're in an up market, in my opinion, looking at the charts. Now, have said that, if we go under 85, 2085 in the September contract, and we are under that now, but I'm talking about a close, not intraday. We're at 2075 about when you view this, and I'm making this report. That would be slightly bearish. And then my projection on the downside would be 2060 to 2055. It just so happens 2055 is around the low we achieved last night, and we stopped kind of where the support level was on the charts, which was great for the bulls, in my opinion. So if we close under 85 on a closing basis, we'll go to 2060, 2055. We close underneath that, then we're going to go to 2017. Write that down. That's my projection. Now, on the way up, because we are sideways to up, okay, on the recovery, if we can close above the 2085, everything is fine for the bulls. Next thought would be 2112, 2127 on my charting, and then 2140. As always, good luck and good trading. And may not be suitable for all investors.